To use VSCode with the WSL, that is Windows subsystem for Linux, first of all make sure that VSCode is installed on Windows 10, and also there is one extension that you need to install, and that extension name is WSL. As you can see here, I have installed this remote WSL, this extension. So this allows you to use VSCode along with WSL. So once this is done, the VSCode installation and this extension installation, then make sure that WSL is also installed on your Windows 10 system. I have already installed the WSL, and once you install the WSL, you will see something like this, Ubuntu on Windows. So depending upon what distribution you have installed for the Linux, by default WSL will install Ubuntu. Just open that and then go to the project that you want to open. Say for example, I want to open this app project in the VSCode. So just go to that directory and then type code dot. So what happens is that the current directory will be opened in VSCode. So I'm just gonna hit enter. And as you can see, that app project is now opening in this VSCode. And one interesting thing that you will see here in the terminal, it is no longer a PowerShell terminal, it is a Linux terminal. So you can use any Linux commands over there. So that is the power of WSL basically. So you can use any Linux commands right from the VSCode. That's it. Thanks for watching.